In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Credit Karma support. So over here on their website, as you can see, you have a help center up here, top right, so you just want to click on that. And then over here on their help center, what you want to do, as you can see, they will show you how to contact them in different ways. So they say, we're happy to help, and you can click here to contact us. And if you click on that link over here, on Help Center, it will automatically take you over here where you can see all the different support questions and help about different things. So sign up, your account, credit health, auto, financial, etc. Okay, you can just click on each and every single one of these, and from here you'll see different questions. However, if you want to get in touch with them directly, as you can see, there's this thing that says, can I call you? And then for questions about Credit Karma Money Spend, you can contact them using the QR code or the phone number on the back of your Credit Karma Visa card. Okay, so if you have their Credit Karma Visa debit card, you can use the QR code or the phone number at the back. You can also find their Credit Karma contact phone numbers over here. I'm going to show you what they are right now. As you can see, if you click on this, over here on this website, it will just take you to their login page, and when you log in, you'll be able to see all their different numbers you can call. So it also says that, please note, you'll only be able to access our phone contact numbers if you have an active Credit Karma Money account. So if you don't, you won't be able to access them. And if you have questions about your Credit Karma account unrelated to Credit Karma Money, you can then click over here where it says contact us here, and then it will take you again to their support page over here. Now, they also do have an email. However, it is not really visible on their website. So their email actually is support@creditkarma.com. Okay, so you can email them as well. So yet again, that is support@creditkarma.com, and you can email them and ask any questions or ask for help if you need it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.